This is a meditation for releasing during the waning moon. Close your eyes, take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it for a moment, and slowly release through your mouth. Once more, even slower. With each exhale, imagine you are releasing what no longer serves you. Tonight, under this moon, we allow ourselves to let go, to cleanse, to complete. The moon invites us inward to lovingly witness what is ready to transform. Now, bring your awareness to the center of your chest. Feel your heartbeat. Feel how this space holds memories, emotions, and all desires. Gently ask yourself, what I am ready to release? Listen without judgment. Just observe. Maybe it's a relationship that has fulfilled its purpose. A fear, an expectation, a wound from the past. Now, visualize what you wish to release turning into smoke, a soft gray smoke rising from your body into the night sky, and the moon, like a wise mother, receives it and transforms it into light. Repeat silently or aloud. I am ready to release what no longer serves me. I trust that every ending is also a beginning. I release with love and gratitude. Take a deep breath. Feel now how the space you cleared is being filled with golden light, a warm, gentle energy, renewal flowing through you. Take a deep breath and feel peace in your chest. Your body is lighter, your spirit freer. Give thanks to the moon, to your guides, and to your own courage. And when you're ready, gently begin to move your fingers, your feet, and slowly open your eyes. Give yourself the last 3 deep breaths. Place your hand on your chest and repeat, thank you, thank you, thank you.